Welcome back to Cars Experts, your destination for everything that moves us forward, and today, we're stepping a little beyond the road and taking to the skies. We're talking about the 2025 Airbus A320, a game-changing evolution of one of the most successful commercial aircraft families in aviation history. For decades, the A320 has been the workhorse of short to medium-haul air travel. It's been favored by airlines around the world for its reliability, efficiency, and versatility. But in 2025, Airbus has taken things several notches higher. The new A320 isn't just a refresh, it's a technological leap that reflects the demands of a modern, more sustainable aviation industry. So, what's new in the 2025 version of this iconic aircraft? First, let's talk about design. From the outside, the updated A320 retains the recognizable silhouette, but it has received aerodynamic improvements. New winglets, known as sharklets, have been further refined to improve lift and reduce drag. These changes may seem minor visually, but in the world of aviation, even slight aerodynamic improvements translate into big gains in fuel efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, the biggest highlight of the 2025 A320 is its new generation of engines. Airbus is now equipping these jets with upgraded CFM International LEAP 1A and Pratt & Whitney PW1100 GJM engines. These powerplants are not only quieter but significantly more fuel efficient. Airbus claims a reduction in fuel burn of up to 20% compared to older models. That's a huge deal for airlines trying to cut operational costs and meet stricter environmental regulations. Inside the cabin, passengers will immediately notice the difference. The 2025 A320 introduces the new airspace cabin, which takes cues from the long-haul A350. Think wider seats, more overhead storage, improved lighting, and quieter interiors. LED ambient lighting creates a more relaxed atmosphere, especially during night flights. The cabin has also been optimized for better airflow and air filtration, something travelers appreciate now more than ever. For the flight crew, Airbus has introduced more advanced avionics and flight control systems. The updated cockpit includes the latest generation of fly-by-wire systems and larger, higher resolution displays that help pilots manage information more intuitively. There's also enhanced connectivity and real-time monitoring systems that allow ground crews to stay informed about the aircraft's health even while it's in the air. Another key feature in the 2025 A320 is the integration of sustainable aviation fuel compatibility. Airbus has made sure that the updated aircraft can operate with a higher blend of SAF, helping reduce overall carbon emissions without compromising performance. Combined with its improved fuel economy, this positions the A320 as a vital player in the future of greener air travel. One underrated upgrade is in noise reduction. With stricter airport noise regulations and growing urban expansion around airports, reducing noise pollution is essential. The new engines, along with better insulation and design tweaks, have brought down noise levels both inside the cabin and outside during takeoff and landing. Now you might be wondering, how does all of this affect the flying experience? For passengers, the difference is subtle but meaningful. Flights are quieter, smoother, and more comfortable. Airlines benefit from lower operating costs, reduced environmental impact, and higher efficiency. For pilots and flight crews, the A320 is now even easier to operate and maintain. It's no exaggeration to say that Airbus has refined nearly every aspect of the A320 platform in 2025. By combining modern engineering, digital innovation, and environmental responsibility, the aircraft is now smarter, quieter, and more sustainable than ever before. That's all for today's look at the 2025 Airbus A320. If you found this video interesting, make sure to stay tuned to Cars Experts, where we bring you not just the latest cars, but the latest in transportation innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.